Hi and welcome. Today we're going to see together how to place an order on ETS Racing Fuels Marketplace. In the upper menu on the right, you will find a red button named Our Fuels, which will land you on the marketplace store. You can choose two kinds of delivery, regular one for generic orders and championship delivery if you take part to a championship and want to be delivered on track. Once you click on championship delivery, store will set in championship mode, where you can find all series we are providing fuel deliveries on track. Once you select desired championship, you'll find season calendar listing rounds in the order with date, delivery place and country of destination. Deadline date is showing up to when it's possible to put an order on marketplace. By clicking on a specific event, you'll be landed to the order page where you can select fuel packaging and quantity. If you need a miscellaneous of 200 liters and 53 liters drums, you will need then to place a dedicated order for each kind of packaging, one for 200 liters drums and one for the 53 liters kegs. Once you have selected the desired volume for a certain packaging, price will automatically update. And you'll be asked for login details or to fill registration form on the right with invoicing and delivery address. You'll have your own dedicated account dashboard where you can edit all about your data, and you will be able to download your invoice some days after delivery took place. Let's go back to the cart. Here is where you can find a resume of your order, when you can check once more invoicing and shipping details. Thanks to specify in the additional information box TIN name and card numbers to smooth trackside delivery. In Cost Resume, you can see local VAT rate applied. Finally, you can finalize your order by paying with credit card or wire transfer. Our network will handle logistic, customs, and fiscal representation, easing customer experience, making fuel order as easy as any other commodity. Your next fuel order is just one click away.